Hello everyone, my name is Suzette aka Auntie Q and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making breadfruit salad. Breadfruit salad is similar to potato salad. Same ingredients, same procedure. Now I'm going to prepare the breadfruit. I'm going to peel it and cut them in smaller pieces. Then after I finish peeling the breadfruit, I'm going to wash it. Make sure you wash it properly. While the breadfruit is cooking, I'm going to place 3 eggs with a pot of water on the stove to boil. After the breadfruit is finished cooked, I'm going to cool it. Here I place it in a sink with some water to speed up this cooling process. As soon as the breadfruit cooled, I'm going to chop my breadfruit in small pieces. Now my breadfruit is all chopped up, I'm going to add the ingredients. Here I have egg, boiled and chopped, green sweet pepper, yellow sweet pepper, red sweet pepper, honey mustard dressing, mayonnaise and some mixed vegetables. Now I'm going to mix the ingredients all together gently. I don't want to break apart the breadfruit or the egg. And I had a black pepper, just a teaspoon. And now you have it, breadfruit salad. And the taste test. And that's my breadfruit salad. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, Auntie Q is out.